Thank God it's a Tuesday, the first day of March 2022. Ito po ang the stock market today. If this is your first time in this channel, ako po si Benji Chadoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market. Noong 2007, I do this report every day which I started August of 2020. Nire-report ko rin po ang latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks. Kung gusto niyo po ng content na ito, iniimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. By the way, hindi po ako financial advisor. Anything that I say in this channel should not be construed as financial advice. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa Meralco at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, March 1, 2022 dito labang sa the stock market today. Okay, these are our headlines, ano? Una, yung Meralco net income jumps as energy sales rebound. And then we also have SMIC records 65% profit surge as pandemic restrictions ease. AREIT earns 2.4 billion amid stable operations. SMPC income surges, hits record high of 16 billion. Telco Dito pilots 5G fixed wireless broadband in Metro Manila. Okay, so let's now go to our main news, which is on Meralco, in which their net income increased as energy sales rebound. Meralco posted a 9.5% increase in core net income in the fourth quarter last year to 6.55 billion as energy sales volume surged, the country's largest electric seller said on Monday. In a media briefing, Meralco Chief Finance Officer Betty C. Yap said the quarterly sales improvement was due to increased mobility and easing restrictions. For full year 2021, the energy utility reported a consolidated core net income of 24.61 billion, 13.4% higher than the earlier year as energy sales volume returned to near pre-pandemic levels. It also cited the contribution from its power generation business. Reported income climbed 44% to 23.5 billion in 2021 from 16.32 billion previously, with the exclusion of exceptional charges from impairment recognized in 2020 on its investment in Singapore-based Pacific Light Power (PTE). In a statement released after the briefing, Meralco Chairman Manny Pangilinan said our excellent operational and financial performance in 2021 reflects Meralco's continuing efforts to invest in customer-centric innovations and in our digital transformation journey to deliver quality and reliable service to our more than 7 million customers in the midst of a continuing pandemic. So magandang balita po ito, no? At meron pong dividendo ang Meralco. So tingnan po natin mamaya, nasa 10.22 yung kanilang dividends per share. Medyo malaki-laki po yun, no? And if you will calculate that based on the current price of 270, for example, so sa 10.22 divided by 370, we will have 2.76, and this is the first dividend that they will give for the year. So medyo maganda-ganda po ito for the utility firm. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange. By the way, the PSE closes today at 3 o'clock, no? So let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on what happened today. Okay, so let's put up our indicators. The PSEI surged 93.60 points or 1.28% up. So na-recover na niya yung loss no 2.06% noong February 24, no? So kahapon nag-gain po siya ng 1.37, ngayon po ay 1.26. So that's a total of 2.6, so with a net increase of about 50%. So yung candlestick niya ngayon ay mas mataas kaysa dito sa red candlestick dito noong February 24. So tingnan man natin ang market summary. 135 companies advanced, 60 declined, while 49 remained unchanged. The all-share index also advanced 0.82%. Pero mas malaki po ang advance ng PSE index, ano, na 93 against 31.96 points for the all-share. But nevertheless, it's an increase in the all-share index also. The financials, holding companies, mining and services were in the green, led by the holding companies at 3.36%. However, the industrials and properties were down, led by the industrials at 0.74%. Reviewin po natin yung mga stocks which figured in the news. So, may earnings report po si MER, SM, SEC at AREIT at si MBT din, ano? Then we'll take a look at one trending stock. No? Tingnan natin si NIKL. Okay, so let's start with Meralco. Yan, naku, Meralco ended at 168 pero nevertheless ay trending upwards pa rin po siya. At kung titingnan po natin yung kanyang target price, actually may bagong study po si BDO SEC tungkol sa target price ni Meralco. At ang target price po niya ay nasa 445, no? Or more or less a 20% upside. So nag-increase po siya ng target price because of the financials, yung lumabas na financials ng Meralco, no? It's about a 20% or 21% upside. Yan po. So maganda po, no? Meron po siyang dividendo si Meralco. Hindi lang nagre-reflect dito but meron po siyang cash dividends of 10.23 centavos per share. Okay? Ngayon, yung 368 is near the 52-week high of 375. Actually, nag-375 po siya kanina, which is a 52-week high. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung kanyang resistance. Based on the next resistance, it would be here, 390 po, yung next resistance level. Pero, in terms of fundamentals, nasa 445 po yung kanyang value. After Meralco, SM naman. SM, another great company. Yan. Engulfing green candlestick po, no? Nakikita niyo po ito kasi last week I was talking about a gap, no? A gap here. Yan po ay na-fill up today with this green engulfing candlestick. So there was a gap down here because natanggal po siya sa regional index, si SM. But SM bounced back kasi this is, let's put a 1-week chart. This is actually a support level. Yan po. Support level po yan. And yung pagkatanggal po niya sa index was an opportunity for traders to buy. Swing and position traders to buy. No? Kasi SM naman is a good company. Nothing to worry about there. Yung pinaka-resistance nandito po siya sa 982.85. So, today, it had a 55 peso increase or 6.17%. And this is one of the highest increase. Tingnan natin yung ibang increases niya. Dito po, meron po siya dito eh. Previously, 7% here, May 27. Tapos, dito naman ay 6.17. So, it's approaching resistance level. Actually, it's a little further than resistance, but the closing price now is higher than our 20 and 50-day exponential moving average. Yun po. So, RSI has recovered from yesterday's bearish 37 ay above the midpoint na po siya at 53. Then SCC, Semirara, okay, it had a higher candlestick today from a green candlestick yesterday with volume, and now it had a higher candlestick, although the increase was only 2.35%. Ano? Meron po ako nakikitang, is this a gap? Hindi, na-fill up na po yung gap dito. But the resistance here, it's approaching resistance at 30.11, and after that, the next resistance level next resistance would be here already. Yan, so sa 33 po. And next resistance level is SCC. No? And it's trending upwards with RSI bullish at 67. Now, 2 days ago, it was down at 46. Now, it's up. No? And yung earnings report ni SEC ay maganda rin po. SEC also gives one of the highest cash dividends in the index. After SEC, AREIT. Yan. Okay. AREIT is mukhang nagta-taper off siya, no? Since January 20 rather. If you will take a look, yung ating 20-day exponential is just piercing through the candlestick since January 31, meaning sideways po ang kanyang movement, and yung kanyang 50-day exponential is also piercing, so it's approaching already, meron siyang cash dividends, no? So it's approaching already, mukhang nagte-taper off na po siya. Now, once you see as candlesticks lower than our exponential moving average, then probably the trend may have changed. So, abangan lang po natin. Ang nakikita ko lang po dito ay sideways po ang movement since this time here, no? On the short term, no? Nakikita ko po yung sideways movement ni AREIT with resistance at 52.49 and support at 48.82. But our long-term indicator, the 100-day, is still on an upward trend. So, just above the midpoint yung ating RSI. And then MBT. Si MBT, meron siyang red candlestick yesterday and a shorter candlestick today. Tingnan nga natin kung meron siyang earnings report. I think meron siyang earnings report here. Okay, nag-increase po siya ng target price, ano? From 58, naging 68 na po. And based dito sa closing price yesterday, there is an upside of 19.1%. So, nasa 57 po si MBT, no? Na ngayon, nasa 58. So, 20%, 19% po ang upside. Dahil maganda po yung profit niya last year, no? 2021. Dahil meron siyang net income surge. So, if we will create a parallel channel, let's draw a parallel channel for MBT starting here. The slight overshoot. So, ang pinaka-support natin would be our EMA 50, and that would be near the 5670 level, and our resistance would be at 6205. Support and resistance, hindi po yan exact points, but these are areas. Then finally, we have a trending stock, NIKL. Yan, tingnan niyo po si NIKL. Oh. Puro ang gaganda po ng kanyang candlestick. Mostly green and long green candlesticks. No? Not actually long, but there are also red candlesticks, but the red candlesticks are shorter. Pero yung green po, ang dami pong volume dito. Starting January 11, Then we have February 4, February 10. We also have February 15. Basta under the candlestick po siya, no? It is a trending stock actually. So let's take a 1 week. This is the highest already, a 52-week high. Oh. So hindi ko makita yung resistance level. Meron siya dito. Meron siya dito, but this is 2014 pa. No, 2014 pa po ito. The next resistance level based on 2014 data, nandito po sa 890. So, balik natin sa 1 day. But still, on the short term, it's a trending stock and it has been moving up since, let's see, January 17. And let's take the EMA 20 as our support. No? Kasi kung trending stock po yan, kailangan ay, if you're trading the stock, kailangan trailing stop po ang ginagawa nyo. So, gawin yung trailing stop, yung EMA 20, sa ngayon nasa 697. Para you follow the trend and if the trend changes, then madaling mag-stop dahil nagmo-move po yung inyong trailing stop. Okay? Yan po ang ating report sa stock market March 1, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. Take care, God bless, and bye for now.